Alright, so here's how to save Excel as PDF in landscape orientation. It's quite simple guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go and select the file on the left upper side, and then from here you need to go and select the print option. There we go. And then from here, firstly into the printer, you need to select the Microsoft Print to PDF option, and then from here on the portrait orientation you need to select the landscape orientation. Alright, now right after that you need to simply tap on print, and now you need to save your document file into PDF. So for my case I'm going with Kazi, and then save this save. Alright, now if we go and see our PDF, as you can see guys, we have successfully saved the PDF as landscape with the help of Excel. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.